Now, we have checked the stresses, displacements, natural frequency, and temperature of the mount. We can now compile key results and create a report, and we can move this model up the workflow for further analysis with higher fidelity. First, let's create a report. To do so, navigate towards the File menu on the upper left hand of the window. Click to show the options and select Create Report. You'll then be prompted to enter saving information. Create the HTML file and open it. The file will give you an overview of the project. Under each simulation, you will be able to see general information about the simulation, ranging from setup conditions to results. Let's close this report and return to Discovery. The final thing we will cover with a single part model will be how to push it further down the workflow to Ansys Mechanical, where higher fidelity analyses can be created for verification purposes. To export this model to Mechanical, you can click on the Mechanical button in the Transfer group of the Simulation tab. The transfer will carry over your physics setup from Discovery. This completes a Discovery workflow with a single part. Next, we will work on setting up an assembly in Discovery.